How to fix Frigidaire fridge error code 5B is a common issue many users face with their refrigerators. The error code 5B on a Frigidaire fridge indicates a problem with the ice maker. This code typically signifies that the ice maker is not functioning correctly or is not producing ice as it should. To understand the error code 5B, it is essential to know that it is not usually a cause for concern, as it is often related to a minor issue with the ice maker. However, if left unchecked, it could lead to more significant problems, such as increased energy consumption or even damage to the fridge. To fix the error code 5B, start by checking the ice maker switch. Ensure that the ice maker is turned on, as sometimes the switch might be accidentally turned off. Next, check the water supply to the ice maker. Verify that the water supply lines are not clogged or frozen, as this can prevent the ice maker from functioning correctly. If the issue persists, check the ice maker mold for any blockages or ice buildup. Remove any blockages or ice and clean the mold to ensure proper water flow. It is also crucial to check the fridge temperature, as a temperature above the recommended range can prevent the ice maker from working correctly. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to reset the ice maker. This can usually be done by pressing and holding the reset button on the ice maker until it clicks. If the error code 5B persists after trying these steps, it is recommended to consult the user manual or contact a professional for further assistance. In conclusion, the error code 5B on a Frigidaire fridge is typically related to a minor issue with the ice maker, and can be easily resolved by checking the ice maker switch, water supply, and fridge temperature. By following these simple steps, you can quickly fix the error code 5B and get your ice maker working correctly again.